Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so the question we're asking ourselves here is, what is our fundamental pitch as your first starting trombone using Standard of Excellence Book 1? So the first thing is just bring your instrument up and blow a nice, easy tone. And that is the F. That tone is the beginning of page 5. If you blow this note, that is the B flat. That is the beginning of page 4. B flat. 4, page 4, F. Page 5. Both of those are set up by the writer of the book, Mr. Bruce Pearson, to get you set up to get a good fundamental start. And I will see you next time. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.